Has this ever happened to you? Oh no! There's a mess on the floor! You might try to move it out of the way. Maybe hide it. Or even cleaning it up with your hands.
There's just gotta be a better way.
Now, there is! Introducing Broom. Broom is great for large messes, small messes, outdoor messes, and everything in between. Broom is not appropriate for carpets and rugs.
Thanks, Broom.
And now from the makers of Broom comes Mop. Mop, great for getting those wet messes that Broom leaves behind.
Mop and Broom make cleaning a breeze.
Okay, now let's do it for real. So you're going to take the broom in one hand. With your stronger hand, hold the top of the broom, and with your helper hand, hold about halfway down the broom. Then, drag the crumbs and items on the floor into a pile, going from the outer edge to the center. Once you have a nice pile, it's time for your dustpan. Put the dustpan as close to the dirt as possible without covering up the dirt. And then pull the broom into the dustpan. All done! And then it goes in the trash can. No more mess. So there are many different types of mops. I'm using one that allows you to spray the cleaning solution out as you mop. So it's really user-friendly. There's not a two-step process with a bucket. I like this method. So what you do is you pull this trigger to release the cleaning agent onto the floor, and then you just go back and forth in a line. So you want to work from one edge of the room towards the exit so that you're not stepping on your freshly cleaned floor. So spraying and just pushing the pad along. So right next to the line I just did, I'm going to do a new line. Spraying and pushing the pad along as well. Now it's your turn. Use the upcoming Ready, Do, Done charts to get sweeping and mopping. Good luck! Okay, now let's be for real. Mop and Broom make cleaning a breeze. You feel so dumb. Okay. Okay, now let's get real. Hold on. Mopping really depends on what items you have on hand. So I have the lid, hold on, Okay. This is first floor. Don't eat the mess, honey.